Hey guys, this is the rest of my Target haul. And I mean, I did like 4 transactions, okay? Because I wasn't trying to do all of this together. You know how much money this would have cost me altogether. But as it stands, I did like 4 transactions, okay? Let me just tell you about this one. It's this one here. I bought the Downy, and the Downy was $9.99. I bought the Tide. The Tide was $11.99, and I bought, let's see, one, two, this other Downy here, the infusions. This was also $9.99. All right, I got $3 off the Downy fabric softener. That's that one in the back. And I got $3 off the Tide. That $3 came off. And he took another $6 off because he took another $6 off. And the reason being is that we did not see the cartwheel. I'm seeing it now on my receipt. But when the cartwheel was on the monitor, it wasn't showing it. So I got an additional $6 off. I needed it because this stuff is expensive anyway. Anyway, guys, I used a $10 gift card. Store cool. Yeah, I used a $10 gift card to lower my out of pocket. So that made it come down to $19.97. So the total that I paid, well, I had taxes, so it's not important with the taxes, was $19.97. I got that $10 gift card back, so that brings it down to $9.97 for these 3. And not bad. That's not bad at all. So that was this receipt, as you can see for yourself, okay? I'm letting you see it, all right? So that one I did pretty good with. Then the next one I bought was the Gain fabric softener. That's these. Now, I thought there was a cartwheel with it, but there wasn't. So anyway, these were $9.99. And I found there was a lot of coupons in the store that said when you buy 3, you get 1 free. And when I took it to the counter, the young lady was saying, well, this is not even our coupon. Where did you get this from? But I told her it's right here in your store. It's right next to the product. That is a whole bunch of them over there. So, but anyway, I ended up getting mine. So these were $9.99. My subtotal came up to $26.97. I had, that's after my $3 coupons. I had coupons for these 3. And after tax, it was like $28.43. I used $10 and a gift card. It brought it down to $18.43. Then I got a $10 gift card back. So that brought that down to $8.43 for these big old giant 3-pound, big old giant, how many ounces is it? 101 ounces of this Gain. All right. These Gains, and each one is normally $9.99, so that's $10, $20, $30, $40. All right. So $18.43, got a $10 gift card back. It's like paying $8.43 for all 3 of those, all 4 of those rather. All right, so to me that was a great deal. Then I did this deal. It's like you buy $15 worth of beverages and you get back a $5 gift card. So I was able to get back a $5 gift card and use that $5 gift card that I earned from these beverages and the $10 gift card that I earned from the Gain. I used that to purchase the pillows, which you're going to see next. All right, so I bought these drinks only because I'm thinking that my grandkids are going to be coming over. So I have about 40 of these drinks for them. They're Kool-Aid, Snapping Green Apple, and Sour Jammers, Shocking Blue Raspberry. Anyway, guys, they were $1.99, and each one of these boxes was $1.99. And the sodas here were $2.69. And these are the smaller sodas. You know, the small cans. These are not those big 12-ounce cans. These are 7.5 ounces. All right, so I bought 3 of those. I bought a root beer, orange, and 7-Up. I bought 3 of those. And so I got that $5 gift card. It came up to $18.23. I just paid that out of pocket. I paid $19.31 out of pocket. I got back the $5 gift card that I told you that I used when I bought the pillows. So it's like $14.31 for all of these drinks. And, you know, I'm going to be having my party soon, so I'm going to be using those. Okay, guys. Okay, so this was my Target haul. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Love you much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, guys. How are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I've been out to Target and bought some pillows. And I didn't get any goose down or any of that kind of stuff. I just got some regular overfilled pillows that I'm going to put on these beds. And these pillows were $6 each. I bought 4 of them. That came to $24. My subtotal, well, like I said, was $24. Then $2.07 in tax. That brought it to $26.07. I used a $10 gift card to pay, as well as a $5 gift card to pay. And that left me having to pay $11.07 out of pocket for all 4 of these pillows. All right. And there's the standard queen size pillows for the beds. I'm going to put them in my beds in the back where the kids sleep. And yeah. So I got pillows. I know I needed some. All right, guys. I'll be right back.